forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free. A new video 6 days a week. Disney Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Let's make something. Welcome to the Clubhouse. Everyone is here for Make Something Day. What does everyone make? Mickey makes a collar for Pluto. Donald makes a toy airplane for Mickey. Minnie makes a bow for Daisy. Daisy makes a necklace for Minnie. Goofy makes a mess. "We can make this better," says Mickey. "What else can we make?" asks Donald. "We can make lunch," says Mickey. "Goofy, we will make lunch for you," says Minnie. "Lunch makes me very happy," says Goofy. "It makes us happy too," says Mickey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and check out my Patreon page. And for more Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Disney Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the video and the channel. Thank you so much for your continued support. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.